Why isn't your Wix website showing up on Google? So this is very easy to solve. What we need to do is load up Wix. Here, select your website from the top left, and then from this page we'll use the search bar to search for SEO. So we'll need to change some settings here, or set up some settings in order to appear in Google search engine. So click on the first option, SEO, and you should see SEO setup checklist. Click on customize setup and you will see this. Step 1, get the homepage ready for Google search. So basically you need to complete all of these steps here in order to appear in Google search. So the first step here is set the homepage title for search results. You will read through this, add a homepage description for search results, add text to the homepage, allow indexing, and basically all of these steps, every single individual step will direct you directly to the page or the thing that you need to do in order to complete it. And after you have completed all of these steps here, then as you can see we have 7 steps. So after you have completed all of these steps, then your Wix website will appear in Google search engine. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.